We are asked to solve the equation x to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 2048. The key is not calculation, but recognizing the underlying structure. The key to this problem lies in its structure. If we can express the equation in the form x to the ax equals a to the a, then it follows that x must equal a. Our strategy is to manipulate the right-hand side into this form. The primary tool for this manipulation is the power rule for exponents. A quantity a to the m raised to the n is equal to a to the power of m times n. This allows us to restructure the expression. We begin with the right-hand side, 2 to the power of 2048. The first step is to factor the exponent. As a first attempt, we can factor 2048 as 2 times 1024. The expression becomes 2 raised to the power of the quantity 2 times 1024. Using the power rule, we can now restructure this expression. This becomes the quantity 2 squared, raised to the power of 1024. Next, we simplify the expression inside the parentheses. This simplifies to 4 to the power of 1024. The base, 4, does not match the exponent, 1024. So this is not the solution. However, this result confirms our method is valid. We simply need to find the correct pair of factors for the exponent. Let's try factoring 2048 as 8 multiplied by 256. Applying the power rule again, we can move the factor of 8 into the base. The expression becomes the quantity 2 to the 8th power, raised to the power of 256. The final step in this transformation is to evaluate the base, 2 to the 8th power. 2 to the 8th power is 256. This gives us 256 to the power of 256, which matches the required a to the a form. We now return to the original equation to substitute this new form of the right-hand side. We will replace 2 to the power of 2048 with its equivalent form. The substitution yields x to the x equals 256 to the 256. By comparing the left and right sides, the value of x becomes clear. Therefore, x equals 256. This concludes the solution. Thank you for watching.